Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. The figures A to D show 4 animals. Select the correct option with respect to a common characteristic of 2 of these animals. So let's identify the animals. So the first figure is of a tapeworm. Tapeworm is a parasitic flatworm, and the flatworms belong to phylum Platyhelminths. So it is a member of Platyhelminths. It has some special properties, like it is having pseudometamerism. As you can see, the body is divided into segments, but these segments are present only on the body surface. These are not internal. So this is called the pseudometamerism or false segmentation. Now the second figure is of Aurelia, also known as jellyfish, and jellyfish is a member of phylum Coelenterata or the Cnidaria. The third figure is of octopus. You can easily identify it, and octopus is also known as devilfish, and octopus belongs to phylum Mollusca. So it is a mollusk. And this figure, you have seen it, I think. It is a scorpion. In Hindi you call it bichu, and it belongs to phylum Arthropoda, because you can see the joints in its leg. So this jointed leg is a feature of arthropods. Now let's see the statements with respect to these animals. So first is A and D respire mainly through body wall. So A is tapeworm and D is scorpion. Now this statement is correct with respect to tapeworm, because tapeworm, when oxygen is available, in normal cases it is anaerobic, but when oxygen is available, it respires through its body surface. It means gases are exchanged through the body surface by the process of diffusion. But in scorpions, the respiratory organ is the book lungs. So scorpion respires by book lungs, not by the body wall. So this is incorrect. Now the next statement is B and C show radial symmetry. Now the radial symmetry means the body can be divided into two similar halves by any plane which is passing through the center. So in case of Aurelia, the body can be divided into segments by any plane which is passing through the center, and such a symmetry is called the radial symmetry. So Aurelia is having radial symmetry, but octopus, you can see its eyes, I think. Now these are located on left and right hand side, so we can divide its body into two equal halves or similar halves by only one plane. So this is having a bilateral symmetry. So this statement is correct with respect to jellyfish, but not with respect to the octopus. So this is wrong. Now the next statement is A and B have cnidoblast for self-defense. So cnidoblast are the special stinging cells which are present in the body wall, especially on the tentacles, in case of coelentrates. So it is a characteristic feature of coelentrates, and these cells are meant for offense and defense. And so A and B. A means tapeworm. So tapeworm belongs to phylum flatworm, and in flatworms no cnidoblasts are there. So this statement is wrong with respect to tapeworm, but it is right with respect to jellyfish, because jellyfish is a member of coelentrates. So this is also wrong. Now the last statement is C and D have a true coelom. So true coelom, it means the body cavity is lined with mesoderm. So ectoderm or the body wall, this is gut wall, and here the whole space between body wall and gut wall is surrounded by the mesoderm. So such a body cavity lined with mesoderm is called a coelom, and it is a feature of both mollusk and arthropods. So this is the right match only. So the right option of this question is answer D. So it is our right answer. I hope this explanation is helpful to you. All the best, bachcho.